Welcome to Maths class. In this video, I am going to explain about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of mixed fractions in the chapter Fractions. Improper and mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is the sum of a whole number and a proper fraction. An improper fraction as a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by denominator to get quotient and remainder. So, any mixed fraction can be written as quotient plus remainder and divisor equal to quotient remainder by divisor. Any improper fraction can be written as mixed fraction as whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. First we add whole numbers, then add the fractions, make same denominator, add numerators and then convert back to mixed fractions. For example, we add 3 2 by 4 and 7 2 by 5. 3 2 by 4 plus 7 2 by 5. First we add the whole numbers. Then we add fractions. 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Now we find the same denominator. The common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. So 2 by 4 becomes 10 by 20 and 2 by 5 becomes as 8 by 20. Now we add the fractions with same denominator. We add numerators. 10 plus 18, 8 gives 18. 10 plus 8 gives 18. So the sum of 10 by 20 plus 8 by 20 equal to 18 by 20. Now 10 plus 18 by 20 equal to 10 plus 9 by 10. Here 18 by 20 is simplified to 9 by 10. 10 9 by 10 is the final answer. So sum of 3 2 by 4 and 7 2 by 5 gives 10 9 by 10. So again we get the mixed fraction. In subtracting, the whole numbers and the fractional numbers can be subtracted separately. So for example, 3 1 by 4 is subtracted from 5 1 by 2. First, we find the difference between the whole numbers 5 and 3, we get 2. And then we find the difference between the fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here, the common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4. So 1 by 2 becomes as 2 by 4 and 1 by 4 stays as 1 by 4. So now we find the difference between the fractions 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. We get the value 1 by 4. Now 2 plus 1 by 4 becomes 2 1 by 4. Multiplication of fractions. To multiply mixed fractions, first we convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. In second step, multiply the fractions and then convert the result back to mixed fractions. For example, the product of 12 3 by 4 and 1 by 1 by 2. First, the mixed fraction is converted to improper fraction. So, mixed improper fraction of 12 3 by 4 is equal to 51 by 4, and improper fraction of 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. Now multiply the improper fractions 51 by 4 into 3 by 2. Here multiply the numerator and denominators. We get 51 3s are 153 and 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 153 by 8. Now simplify. Now the improper fraction convert back to mixed fraction as 19 1 by 8. So the answer is 19 1 by 8. Division of fractions. First, converting mixed numbers to improper fraction. In second step, take the reciprocal of the second fraction. In step 3, multiply the numerators and denominators. And finally, we simplify the answer if possible. For example, divide 4 1 by 2 by 3 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2 is divided by 3 1 by 2. First, the mixed fractions are converted to improper fractions. Improper fraction of 4 1 by 2 equal to 9 by 2, and improper fraction of 3 1 by 2 equal to 7 by 2. Now we take the reciprocal of second fraction 7 by 2. Reciprocal of 7 by 2 is equal to 2 by 7. Now multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. We get 9 by 7. Students, I hope you have understood the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of mixed fractions. Thank you.